Hello YouTube, this is Hobby Doors. I'm opening a bunch of random Pokemon stuff today. Maybe not today, but yeah. I'll start off with this thing, whatever it is. The poster pack or something. Yeah, that's what it says. Okay. Yeah. In the next video I'll be opening the premium box. And then these two starter decks. This one's already open. I have it there. So yeah. We'll start off with this. Start opening. Let's look at this. I'll just review that or so. I got it open. This is what it looks like when it's open. Well, not yet, because I still have to open the box. Yeah. So easy to do this one hand. So easy. Oh my god. There you go. Finally. Open. Still doing it in one hand and its foot. Right. Force. Sorry, I had to cut off. Anyways, I got it open. Just came with the posters. One poster. Two packs. What is this? I don't know what this is. Yeah, I don't know what that is. And then the blue the promo card. I'll be opening the pack now. Oh my god. Goodness. Solrock. Regigigas. That was a good pack. Second pack. a supporter card. Now these things, I don't know what this is, but it looks cool. Feels so light. Metal Energy promo card, Chimchar, and but I don't whatever. The other promo pack. I think that's what they call it, I don't know. What is this? Gabite. And another Chimchar. That was a good box. Yeah. Anyways, these are the cards I got. One Regigigas. That thing. Solrock and this. These are all for trade, if you want it. Okay, see ya.